Hi guys, I'm back again. Do you ever feel the necessity to save our own blocks, Elementor blocks online so that we can use it at any time? I actually do feel it necessary every time. So I do a little research if I can find any solution and find a beautiful solution. Though it's not the easiest method, but it surely gets the job done. We will use a plugin called templator. And to get this plugin, you have to visit this website, this wptemplator.com. In here you can see it's free till 31st December 2019, so that's awesome. So all you have to do, you have to click this get free access button, and after that you have to fill all of this necessary field, and after login you will find an account menu in the top right hand corner. In here we can see we have downloads, so click this downloads, and here you can download the plugin. So download the plugin. So I have already downloaded it. Let's install it. Go to plugin, add new, and click upload plugin and choose the plugin file. This is the plugin file, and activate this plugin. As you can see, our plugin is now installed. After installing the plugin, you will see something like this: activate API key. So how can we get this API key? So if you go to this account, you will see API key menu. So click this API key menu, and this is the API key. Just copy the API, click this active API and paste the API key in here and click this activate. As you can see, successfully activated. So now our job is done. So how we can save our template to the cloud? So this is the template, this is the block I want to save. So how we can do that? First step we need to do is we need to save this template. Right click and save as template. Give it a name like click save. So the block is now saved in our Elementor template panel. And if you go to our Elementor, if you go to the templates under Elementor menu and click save templates, and you can see this is our template. So we need to export this or upload this template to our cloud. So how we can do that? If I hover over to this name of this saved template, you will see a new menu called export to templator. So click this button, and in here you have to enter the categories. You can choose name any categories like section categories, featured box categories, anything you want. I'm giving it other, and in here you have to choose a screenshot of this specific templator section. Let's take a screenshot. Let's save it to my desktop, and let's click this button set screenshot image and upload that. These are a block screenshot, so select and click export. As you can see, we have started exporting. So now the template is started to export. It will take few seconds. So how we can access our saved template? So that's very easy as well. As you can see, we have 3 menus instead of 2. Import from cloud. So if you click this import from cloud, it will load our cloud. As you can see, I have 5 saved template, and this is the template we just saved my template. So you can just click import and it will get imported. So how we can access it from, let's say, another site. So this is our another site. I have just installed that plugin. As you can see, I have installed and connected the API. So how we can access that template from here? That's very easy. Go to templates, save templates, and click this import from cloud. As you can see, our my template is now available in the new site as well. So you can just click import. As you can see, our template is now imported. So you can just click edit with Elementor, and there you have it. As you can see, this is our template that we just exported from another website. So this is how we can save our own custom template in the cloud.